I want to talk to you today about trust. Now, I'm not talking about do you trust your colleague, do you trust your friends, do you trust your family type of trust. I'm talking about the trust that you give implicitly to somebody else when you send them a copy of your Excel spreadsheets. What do I mean by this? Often what happens is when you share a worksheet with somebody else, you're anticipating that their knowledge of Excel is exactly the same as yours, whether it's down here or whether it's up there. And it's wrong to make those assumptions. It's very easy for somebody to open up a file and accidentally click on a cell and change a formula, which then changes the whole integrity and compromises your data in an Excel spreadsheet. It's not intentional, it's just something people will do if they don't have the skills or knowledge of what they're looking at or being able to understand what's actually happening when they click somewhere. So my question to you is, what do you do to manage that trust? Are you trusting your colleagues and just assuming that they'll do the right thing by your spreadsheets? Or are you actually setting them up in such a way that you don't have to worry about that trust? I'm Donna Hanson, productivity strategist, and I'd love to help you, your team, or your organisation work smarter and not harder with your spreadsheets.